What is LinkedIn Creator Mode? Have you activated yours? Are you planning to promote your business or build your personal brand in LinkedIn? Then this new feature is perfect for you. LinkedIn has come up with this exciting new opportunity, allowing individuals to grow their followings and enhance engagement. Let's take a closer look at what it is and how it works. Follow button. The obvious change that you can see in your profile will be the change from connect to follow. So this means you will no longer get an invitation to connect from people who just want to see your content on their newsfeed. Of course, that doesn't mean that the old style of connecting format is gone. People can still connect with you old way. Followers numbers. Usually by default, LinkedIn only shows the number of connection on your profile. And once you have gone beyond 500 connection, the number will no longer grow. And it will display as 500 plus, no matter you have 200 or 20,000 connection. But with followers, there is no such limit. Your follower number will be exact number no matter how many you have. Quick tip, you can choose which one to show on top, connection or followers. Favorite hashtags. You can now share a list of up to 5 selected LinkedIn hashtags that you create content about on LinkedIn. This will help your visitor to quickly identify the content on your profile. Your profile will also get displayed and cross-promote on others' page with same hashtag interest. Optimize profile. This will enable LinkedIn to reorder your profile to bring a featured and activity section on top. It will also showcase your most recent content. This will help creators to keep their profile clutter-free, as older posts with likes and comments will be hidden. Creator-only analytical tool. As a content creator, we know how important are analytics. It's these analytics that help us create content based on those numbers. And now with creator mode, we can now see the number of views, likes, comments, share, and a top 10 breakdown of viewers by companies, job titles, and location. Of course, it's not a lot, but at least it's going in a good direction. As a content creator, please remember, creator mode alone won't help your content go viral. Let me repeat this again. Creator mode won't help your content go viral. Please follow these tips. Tip number 1, remember the golden rule, which is content is king. So your content actually needs to be really good. Tip number 2, it's not about you or your business or your brand. It's about the viewers. What are you providing them different? What can you do for them? How can you help them stand out? Tip number 3, optimize your profile to its full potential. Fill out each and every detail on the section of the profile. Tip number 4, profile picture and LinkedIn backdrop image. I can't stress the importance about this enough. As a photographer, I know how important our profile picture. So let's keep your fun vacation selfies to other social media platforms and use a high quality professional profile picture and include a uniquely designed LinkedIn backdrop image. Now that we know a little bit about creator mode, let's see how to activate. Open LinkedIn on your computer or mobile device. Scroll down to the bright blue Your Dashboard section. Click on Creator Mode and of course, select on. Now let's select your top 5 LinkedIn hashtags. Choose topics that best represent your business and personal brand. When you are done, click Save. Don't worry, you can always edit and change your hashtags as many times as you want later. Bravo! Now you are an official LinkedIn content creator. I hope this video was little helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them on the comment below. Help me by subscribing to my YouTube channel and sharing this video with as many people as possible. Stay healthy and stay safe. I will see you on my next video. Ciao.